Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Aqib, and today we are going to have a look at a keyboard. Not the normal keyboard, but a different one. Basically, there are two kinds of keyboards known to people. The first one being the Apple Magic keyboard, which are thin, light, and the keys have minimal to no key travel. The second one, gamer keyboards or mechanical keyboards. But what if I told you there exists a third kind of a keyboard which is actually a sandwich of the two? Yes, they are called low-profile mechanical keyboards. And today, we are having a look at the Keychron K1. Let's try to find out what kind of audience is Keychron focusing with this product. As you can see from the construction of it, people who don't use the numpad very often, yet they like to use full-blown arrow keys and home, insert, delete, and page up, page down kind of keys. This keyboard comes with a keycap puller and Windows compatible keys, which means it is suitable for multi-device users, as it not only has those extra keys, but also a switch which you can toggle to switch between Mac and Windows. Not only that, this device comes with Bluetooth 5.1, which means you can connect it to 3 devices simultaneously and switch between them seamlessly, which also means no need of cables, aka wireless life. But don't get me wrong, this can also work in a wired mode. It comes with a good quality braided cable, which is USB Type-C to Type-A. So for all the MacBook users, you'll have to use a dongle in order to charge it and use it in a wired mode. And to cover more audience, this comes in 3 kinds of switches. The first one being blue, which are clicky, red, not so clicky, and brown, which has a soft and subtle sound, which means you can actually take it to your office and not worry about annoying your coworkers with its sound. Talking about the sound, let's see what it sounds like. So that's all I have for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with all of your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, stay safe, keep recording.